just $3.96 and more. So hurry into Lowe's and save on something you'll love.
I'm not a fan of infestation. And if even one flea or one tick gets on my William or my Monty, you're going to have to deal with me.
How bad is your infestation?
It's a nightmare.
Well, PetSmart has the products to help treat your pet, home, and yard.
They don't serve any purpose. We gang up on him unless it was to annoy us. You have to fight back and to anger me. You don't want to mess with me.
No, not at all.
PetSmart has vet-recommended Canine Advantage 2, which repels and kills fleas, ticks, and mosquitoes for dogs only. Now save up to $10 on this and other select Bayer products. Who's president needs a partner. Find stylish gifts for Dad at JCPenney. Shop our Dad's Day VIP event and get an extra 25% off with your JCPenney credit card and coupon. Some exclusive apply.
Cranberry mango juice drinks are a perfect blend of cranberry and mango. Tastes like you're in the tropics. Ta-da!
You've heard of a win-win, right? What about a win-win-win? Pick up the limited edition metallic Droid Turbo by Motorola. Water repellent, up to 48-hour battery life, and ballistic nylon back. That's your first win. Plus, it's only on Verizon, the #1 network. There's your next win. Now for the final win. Get $250 when you trade in any smartphone. And get 10 gigs of data for $80 a month and $15